sun's shining. We've got one of our tractors and trailers just popped in here for a set of front weights. So we very quickly put some GCS hire stickers on the trailer, because it's the first time this trailer has actually been back to our yard. We bought some earlier on this year, the first time I've been back here, so we just fitted them up. New Holland T6 180. Size trailer there. That was on the south coast of England this time yesterday, and now it's 250 miles north. So worked yesterday, now it's back in work today. So they certainly do get about, that's for sure. So we just put some front weights on that tractor. We've taken the front screen out of the tractor. It's going on maize. So we've just taken the front screen out of the tractor there. Sorry, there, not there, there. So set front weights on the tractor, and now it's good to go. There we go. We did refrain from putting the John Deere weight on the front of that tractor. We didn't think it would look quite right. But there he goes. Good to see. Right, we're back at Bush Tyres in Horncastle. The dog has attacked the truck again and bitten my tyre. So we've got another new tyre going on the truck. So he's becoming a bit expensive dog one way though, doesn't he, really? One wheel removed from there. I think the very nice man in here is putting a wheel on and a new tyre on. Good service here. He's smiling there, look, he knows he's... So, another new tyre. The other one was definitely gone though, wasn't it?
Yes, it was,
Yeah. Bless. So, there we go. Top man here, top man on the job. There you go. Alan's putting the wheel back on. I wish I knew how to stop my dog eating my tyres, because it does become a bit of an expensive hobby. But then it keeps Alan in work, doesn't it, Alan?
Oh yeah. I love your dog.
Yeah, there we go. So anyway, so another good job done there. So another expensively good job done there.
Costs you a bit in tyres.
It does cost me a bit in tyres, yeah, I know. But there you go. But he's family.
Yes.
So it could be worse.
Stuff safe as well.
It could be worse, I know. I'm going to go and film Dean now. I'll go and make his day. Let's go and find Dean. There we go. He's popped in to see Dean again at Bush Tyres, and he always does me a good job, Dean. But anyway, got some telehandler tyres. I've just said to him, and they're going to be fitted today. Does that get any better on that?
No, not at all.
No, brilliant. So anyway, Bush Tyres, or I think any Bush Tyre depot really, but Bush Tyres at Horncastle. Dean looks after me. And if you come in and see Dean, give him, ask him about the special promotional discount code. There isn't one, but just ask him about it anyway. Yeah. There we go. Right, anyway, thanks Bush Tyres. Another good job done. Perfect. Right, so it's Friday. Just hopped over to a place called Bicker Bar, which is about, I don't know, half an hour from home. Have a look at a collective sale which is on tomorrow. I think some of it's online as well, so we don't have to be here. So I'm going to have a quick look around and see what's here. And the sun's shining. What a bonus. I think it's the usual consignments of basically big agricultural machinery, tractors, lawnmowers, trucks, and right down to some small miscellaneous items. So we'll have a look. I think it's going to be forecast rain tomorrow, so doing this from the office might be very beneficial. Or being lazy, I'm not quite sure which way around you look at that, but there you go. Usual lots of tractor spares and all sorts of miscellaneous items. Look at that. So it's very easy when you come to these sales to go home with things you didn't actually really want. You looked at them at the time and thought, oh, I've got use for that. And then you get them home and then realise that you're never actually going to get around to doing what you think you're going to do anyway. But that's quite normal for us anyway. Lawnmowers, trimmers, all here. Ride-on mowers of all vintages. If you need parts for one, you can probably buy them here as well. Vintage stuff, livestock stuff, If you want to go into poultry, if you're the next, if poultry's the next big thing, there you go. There's some chicken coop for you. Good selection of tractors here. 3 New Hollands there, all from the same home. But we'll come back to them in a minute. Super Major, nice little Dexter. No, we like Dexters. That's a very smart, clean looking tractor on it. Actually got the pickup hitch on it as well, which is quite, well, I'll phrase that, it's got half the pickup hitch on it, on the top there, but the arms and hook are missing. But there we go. It's all smart looking tractor. And a little Force and Dexter next to it. Again, a very nice looking, smart little tractor. When you look at these tractors and realise just how far they've come in a lifetime, it's quite amazing really, isn't it? David Brown 1212 there. Merlo telehandler. This is the one that it's a JCB 5369. I think, is it a 536 or 53595? Hang on. 53595. Come from Pex, our local JCB dealer. An agri spec machine. But the bit that I've never seen on the 9 metre before is the self-levelling. With the levelling ram on the front there. So that's a little bit different. Anybody else run one of those machines like that with a self-levelling ram on the front? So I think this has come from a local farm. All looks there, it's good tyres on it. Manitou and Sanderson. There we go, quite a nice line of tractors and machinery. We're getting out with our machine, JCBs, the paint coming off quite badly. I mean, this machine is quite an older one though. Cavalry quite presentable. Wheels, tyres, trailer bogie there. Potato handling equipment. Usual consignment of tractor weights and miscellaneous attachments. And some cultivation equipment. Big assortment of trailers, Arctic trailers, dollies, even a caravan. That's the second sale in a week we've seen with a caravan. I think every time I come to this sale here at Bicker Bar, literally nearly every time, there was a 3 metre Votera. It's not the same one come back to and fro, because I bought some of them in the past, but there's nearly always a 3 metre Votera. So, a few other bits and pieces. Some cousin rolls. Flat lift there that looks like it's been in work quite recently. So, and a nice big 7-thorough plough. So, all sorts of stuff here. This sale is on tomorrow. And so, at Bicker Bar in Lincolnshire. Right, morning, Saturday morning, we're in the yard. I'm having a bit of a sort out part of the workshop. And I was all joking this morning. I didn't believe I'd actually get my overalls on and come and help them. And Gary in particular, one of the people, he's coming on Saturday to get this job done. We'll have a bit of a tidy up. So, yeah. Anyway, I have the overalls on. We're ready to go to work. doing really well this morning. We really was. Until somebody came across the yard with our little scrap iron from the workshop and it emptied itself. Little green skip here. We were trundling across the yard with it. Went over the bump and it all went all over the yard. So Gary and Paul have jumped to it. Picked that lot all up again. So
Tea break now.
tea break now. Right, there we go. See, it's not all. Things do go wrong here, and we do show them. I won't tell you who was driving the forklift at the time. Thanks for watching the video, and I must say thank you to everyone. On the last video, we said to people, "Will you please say us how you feeling?" Obviously, we'd like to know, and where in the world you are calling from. That has been sensational. We have absolutely mind-blowing as to where people are in the world who watch these videos. So thank you to everybody around the world who's watching. Please carry that on. Let us know where you're watching from. It's I say, mind-blowing. So anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Jobs are good.